Fucking love this car. This car's so sweet. I'm gonna let this whole video record the whole time on the GoPro and this. We'll see how it goes. Let's target me. Active track in the front. We'll have it like this. See exactly how the audio is doing. I don't know how it's going, but we'll just go ahead and fuck around with it. Oh, nope. I'm gonna go this way now. See if it'll come back, because I'm not controlling it. And it's going around in circles. Oh, that's kind of cool. So I guess we'll find out. Hopefully the audio is picking up good. I don't know how well this sounds and all that other stuff, but the car does look really good lowered like that. So we'll see. So I've spent a total of $13,000 on this car so far. That's the Air Ride, which is AirTech, the Stage 2 Plus management system. I've done eBay side skirts, eBay rear splitter, eBay rear side pieces right here. That's a Cybon wing or spoiler. I don't remember what the front lip is. I honestly can't remember off the top of my head what fender flares these are, but they're the expensive ones. Carbon fiber M-style mirror caps. I have the carbon fiber wind deflectors on it. I am on Stage 2 with a CTS catless downpipe. I have Visconti Flex fuel kit. I forgot to mention I have an XHP Stage 3 transmission tune as well. I also have the CTS boost pipe, turbo inlet, and the CTS intake, because at the time that was the loudest one you could get at the time, which I think is really dope. So we'll see. I have the ZL1 rock guards, the American Panda BMW 50th anniversary front and rear emblem. I have the same emblem on the wheels, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, it's been a journey, and I love it. I'm on boot mode Stage 2. I don't remember if I said that or not. So yeah, it's a dope car. I got low glow LEDs as well. I forgot to mention that. I actually broke one, so I actually have to, when my airbag went because of user install error, I have to actually get another one here soon. It should be on the way in the next couple days. It's just this back corner right here. It's nothing major. So, but yeah, that's it. I do have this hex weave pattern tint on the headlights. It gives it a chameleon-like color to it. Yeah, I've taken this to North Carolina, got 34 miles per gallon with the tune on it. I'm on E40 right now, so I'm assuming it's about 550 wheel, even though it is a boot mode Stage 2 OTS tune. I haven't went custom tune yet because I haven't taken the time to actually get a bigger turbo. Once I go aftermarket turbo, then I'll get an actual custom tune. But it didn't make sense at the time to do it because I had the transferable tune from boot mode, because my 328 that I had previously was actually with boot mode Stage 2 OTS or Stage 1 OTS tune, but it's on the multi-map one, so I fucking love it though. I think it's an awesome ass setup, and I'm really digging it. So we'll see. This is actually sweet. I like this. Being able to do this with the drone, I think this is the sweetest fucking thing. So I am going to cancel that. Oh, wrong thing. Let's see, what can I do with this? Point of interest. Go. So, I'm just testing this out. This is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I haven't really had a chance to do it a couple shows, but I'm trying to get better with it. And I have the, what is this? The Lark M1, I think, wireless audio controllers, or the mics. So I'm just testing this out, seeing how this all does. We've been recording for 6 minutes now. And I fucking love it. I think it's super sweet. I love the fact that the car has Bluetooth for the air ride. Wow, is that really not gonna? Let's pull it up now. There it is. There, that's further back now. Yeah, that thing looks super sweet. I fucking love this drone. Not even controlling it. I think that's fucking awesome. Not touching anything, look. Not even controlling it. But I will say this is a very comfortable car. And I don't get tired of driving it. That's why I got all seasons. I got the Redstein Quattrak Pros on it. I've driven it almost all winter other than 4 days out of the year where it was just super, super deep. Like we had like 4 or 5 inches of snow actually on the ground, and the car couldn't do it. I couldn't even get out of the driveway. So I just left that alone. I'm gonna set this up to go fast. Are you gonna actually go up? Ah, you suck. I was hoping that would have stayed down. Damn, that thing's actually going kind of fast. Holy shit. Okay, okay. Let's stop this, stop this. We're gonna do master shots now. So this is the master shots. I hope this doesn't hit anything. I've never really tested this. Holy shit. Hopefully you can still hear me. You're 340 feet away, 350 feet away. Oh, that's gonna circle. Ooh, how tall, how high are you? Are you high enough? Let's see. That dude really thought he was gonna like stop by or something. He had the chance. I sat there and fucked with him too. Huh. Ooh. Okay, come over from the road. Yeah, please miss everything. Thank you. Scaring the crap out of me right now. And we'll see how this all goes. Huh. And that's sweet. Camera straight and descend. It's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna camera down and descend.